you guys, here's a tour of my dirt bike. It's a 4-stroke Honda 100. But yeah, we're just working on it right now. It's been bogging out, or I think the carburetor had dirt in it. So yeah, we're just fixing that. There's the fender. But here's my brother's bike, 80 4-stroke. It's a Yamaha. And then we have my 80 2-stroke. So I have 2 bikes. But yeah, it's my 80. My 80, this one, and my 100 are 2-strokes. And then we walk over here, we got the golf cart. Sorry about the sun. Nice golf cart. And then we got my quad. Yeah, the seat's broken. But get my helmet. But yeah, that's my quad. And I will see you guys next time with another video. So bye.